friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you cards magic. First of all, I am shuffling the cards and then ask spectator to select one card. And then I keep it in middle. Now I am going to divide it into two sets. Now I ask spectator to select one set in which her card is not there. Now in this, I ask spectator to select any two cards. Yes, this is the card of the spectator. Now I am going to show you the tutorial. First, we shuffle the cards and ask spectator to take any card without any trick. So, the spectator takes the card. You can see the card. Now we keep it in the middle but not push it inside. We take from this card up and keep it here. So the spectator card will be at the top. And then again we take from down the cards, keep it like this but not like this. So the spectator card will be at the top. Now we take 2 or 3 cards and keep it at the top. So the third card is the spectator's card. Now we say to the spectator, now I am dividing into 2 sets. So this is the card of the spectator because this is the third card. So we divide it into 2 sets. Now we ask the spectator, take out any of the set which your card is not there. Of course the spectator says this set. So we take out this set. So this set remains. We know the card is this one because we know the place and we saw the card. Now we say, take out any of the 2 cards without which is your card. So this is any 2. Let's think spectator says these 2 cards. So we take out this card. Now we know this card. That is this card. So we say that this is your card. And he says it's right. So this is the tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting magic videos. Thank you.